if you look at this question now, what is the value of sine theta is asked if this is the equation. We know 1 plus cot squared theta. We know 1 plus cot squared theta is equal to cosecant squared theta. So this implies to me that I can write cot squared theta can be written as cosecant squared theta minus 1. So I can say cot squared theta can be written as cosecant squared theta minus 1 minus 31 cosecant theta plus 32, that is equal to 0. So I can write 12 cosecant squared theta minus 12 plus 32 is plus 20 minus 31 cosecant theta, that is equal to, what is it? That is equal to 0. So take the sum and take the product, simple stuff. Minus 31 and plus 240. Minus 31 and plus 240. So we'll have to cross check what values will satisfy for cosecant theta, right? Cosecant theta. So what is the shortcut here? Shortcut is like this. 240 you divide by the smallest number which you know. 2 120s are, 2 60s are. See, this is the shortcut, students. 2 30s are and 2 15s are. Enough now for me, 15. So this is 1. See, basically it is what now? It is minus 16 and minus 15. This will be the answer. Directly, now we have ended up with the answer. So I've told you this shortcut so many times. So what is the value of cosecant theta is equal to invert the sign of factors and divide by the coefficient of the highest degree term. So your answer to the question will be 4 by 3 or 5 divided by 4. This is the value of cosecant theta. Therefore, what's the value of sine theta is equal to reciprocal, right? 1 divided by cosecant theta. So your answer to the question will be 3 divided by 4 or 4 divided by 5. This will be the answer to the question.